Hi, hello. Today I'm gonna explain these codes for you, but first I wanna talk about what's the main purpose of these codes. The main purpose of this, we have one-dimensional array, which is the size is 5. It's created with 5 objects, and we create with randomly selected integer numbers, and then I just print it on the board. For this, we first created, name of this is random created array, and the size is 5. It's created with the integer form, and I just fill it with the math random code, which is the numbers between 0 to 10. And then system out print code is where just I want to show what happened in the first case to the users, which is the randomly created array form. And then I try to sort it with the sorted form, sort and sweep method. The question is how the selection sort work. For this, we work with any integer, in this case it's integer one-dimensional array, and we need any two things, which is the first one is current object, the second one is previous object, and we define any index with this, and we try to compare two things. When the current one is smaller than the previous one, I just want to swap the position of this two things, the index of this two things. For this, we first create a for loop, which is the for first case. I say integer I equals 0, I less than my array length -1, and I want to update this I in every case with 1. For this, I create any minimum index, which is equal to I, and then I want to work the second case, my second index, which is the second thing what I compare the first one, the previous one. And if I decide the current one is smaller than the previous one, I want to swap the position of this two thing, the index of this two thing. For this, I say integer temple, which is the work for carry anything, with the carry my array I. I say I update the position with my array I, the location I, my array minimum index, my array minimum index equal temple. I just swap the two thing, the position of two thing, the index of two thing, and I just return my array. It's work simply like that. After this, I use this method to sort and swap the position of random created array, which is randomly created in the first case, and I fill it everything in the sorted form, and I just print it on the board. I want to show it for you. It's randomly created form, and it's the sorted form of my randomly created array.